Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Gary, welcome again.
Good morning. Good to be here.
We know it's Wednesday, right?
That's right.
It's Legal Break. We
so.
have interesting question.
All right.
So this came to us from a viewer. They basically said, I hydroplaned into the back of some cars because of the rain. Is it my fault that I hit them?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Very simply, right?
No, nothing's that simple, but you know, everybody has an excuse for why it's not their fault. I hear it all the time. It's amazing how no one wants to accept responsibility for these things, but what were they doing? Probably going too fast for conditions. And as a result, they didn't have a chance to, they were too close, or they hit something and they couldn't control the vehicle. And here's the question I generally ask. How many other people hydroplaned there that morning?
Oh, yeah, good one.
Well, probably you were the one, you know. So if you were the only one, what was difference between what you were doing in your vehicle and what everybody else was doing? Maybe everybody else was acknowledging there was a safety hazard and slowing down a little bit. So I don't see that as a defense. I think we got to take responsibility for what we do, particularly when we alter other people's lives, you know. So, and in that case, you know, insurance company will probably argue it wasn't our fault, it was weather conditions, but I don't see it as a legitimate defense unless everybody spun out and, you know, you see these massive ice storm things that may be a little different. But around here, nah.
For the most part, So in a follow-up on that, you know, are there things that you see, maintenance, or things that contribute to wrecks in vehicles along those lines?
You know, what contributes to wrecks is distracted driving, whatever it is. I mean, people not paying attention, but I think it's important to look at your tires, make sure you've got good tread. I think it's important to clean your windshields. You can't believe what people's windshields look like sometimes. And it's important to keep your car maintained and serviceable. I hear my brakes gave out on me. Well, they weren't working right, and then didn't do anything about it, and now you're claiming the defense is that your brakes didn't work right. Sorry. If you knew or had knowledge of a problem with your vehicle and you ignore it or don't deal with it, and then it causes or contributes to the fact there's a wreck, it's your fault. So I think we got to keep our vehicles in good shape and, you know, pay attention to the things we can pay attention to. Clean your windshield, clean everything, change tires when you need to. Just take care
and the changing of the seasons is a great time to do that.
And
nice reminder.
This would be a good time to do that.
Fantastic. So, thank you so very much.
Thanks for the question. Keep them coming. Enjoy
Thanks so much, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.